To fix internet connected but browser not working, you'll find here the ultimate guide for Chrome, Windows and Mac in 2026. Let's get started. The first fix is in search type control panel. Click on control panel. Here in view type, select large icon. Sometimes the category type is selected. Just change it to large icons and then click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. This is the Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Click on properties. Now scroll down. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on properties. In obtain DNS server IP automatically is selected. Click on use the following DNS server addresses. Type here 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Now click OK. Now click close. After first fix, hope your problem has been solved. If the problem is still exists, go for the second solution. Right click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. Here you will find the network adapter. Right click on the network adapter and you will find your Wi-Fi network adapter here. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers and the best driver for your device are already installed. Now click on Close. Hope this will solve your issue. If the issue is still exists, you have to go for the third fix. In search type CMD. Right click on Run as administrator. Type ipconfig/release. Now hit enter. It will release the current IP configuration. Type ipconfig flash DNS. This will flash the DNS cache. Hit enter. Now successfully flashed the DNS reservoir cache. And then type ipconfig renew. ipconfig renew. It will renew the IP configuration of your Wi-Fi adapter. Hit enter. The IP address has been renewed. Hope this has been fixed your issue. If your problem is still existed, you have to go for the fourth solution. Command prompt, type netsh winsock reset. It will reset Windows network socket. Just hit enter. Successfully reset the winsock catalog and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Now close the command prompt. Click on Start menu. Click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved.